Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new rear air shock for various GM SUVs K2 with Z85 Package, short wheelbase, and long wheelbase. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Remove the applicable rear wheel. Then, locate and remove the airline to deflate the air shock. Turn the metal clip approximately 90 degrees to remove the airline fitting from the air shock. Next, loosen and remove the upper and lower shock mounting nuts. Support the axle to relieve pressure from the air shock's mounting points. Remove the upper and lower air shock mounting bolts. Finish the removal by removing the air shock from the vehicle. Then install the new air shock into the vehicle. The airline fitting should be facing the rear of the vehicle. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Then install the upper and lower air shock bolts and nuts. The final installation step is to reattach the airline, ensuring the retention clip is properly oriented in the grooves. Then reinstall the rear wheel and lower the vehicle. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott rear air shock. A proper installation helps maximize your vehicle's suspension performance and durability. Stay safe and enjoy a smooth ride.